just trying to update you guys about the tulip bulbs which I planted in November. These are the old ones which we trimmed before winter. And these are the new ones which I planted in November. I'm going to show you more of that over here. Beautiful flowers are sprouting on the ground on this side. These are the ones I planted sometime in summer the other year. So my tulip bulbs in November are now getting so big. So here they are. I will update you again when they open their petals. And our Christmas tree is showing up some cones, getting ready for Christmas. It's beautiful, yeah. Look at that. These are the Christmas tree cones. I cannot get a brighter view of it. It's raining, guys, but it just stopped at the moment, so I took advantage of coming out and get a video of plants here, the backyard garden. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? These are the cones from our Christmas tree, which was planted 2 years ago. I get a closer view of it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. This is our Christmas tree. It's lovely, hey? They look like strawberries, but no. These are cones. Okay. So finally, my tulip bulbs flowers are coming out. We'll take some videos of them again when they open up. That will be more prettier. What colors do I have here? I still don't know yet, because I took and assorted seeds that time. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Wow, there you go. The sun has come out. So, weather here in England, sometimes it rains, sometimes the sun come out, sometimes it rain again, so it's very unpredictable. Okay guys, pinapakita ko lang po ang magandang tanawin dito sa backyard garden namin. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please try to subscribe. Bye for now. God bless everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the Lenten season. Keep safe po. Bye.